Okay, so guys, just to add some greens to the Christmas meal. Okay, this is something different. I've put the lettuce in a platter like this. Okay, usually we mix everything together. So I'm going to take this. I'm just going to put it there. Okay. Some cherry. Okay. Got some cucumbers. And then I've got some purple onion. Okay. And then to that, I'm just going to add some feta. So when you have it on your dinner table, you're going to get a spoon and you're just going to mix it up. So it looks presentable on the table as well. So this is just a simple salad.